Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a moose. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line going to the left, dropping down a bit for the snout, dropping down again for the mouth, and turning back to the right for the chin. Underneath the head, draw a shaky line coming down at an angle that turns back up. This is called the dewlap. It's kind of like the flappy thing under a turkey's beak, but the moose's dewlap is furry, so it looks like a beard. Continue that shaky line down for some fur on its chest. Then, a long line down for the leg, with a flat bottom for the hoof that turns back up and widens out like so. Copy that shape just to the left for the other leg. For the body, a gentle swoop to the right. And for the hind leg, a line coming down, bending to the right, a flat bottom for the hoof, and a line coming up, bending to the right that widens out at the top. Again, copy that shape just to the left for the other hind leg. For the back, draw a line coming down and turning to the right that drops down a bit for the hump on their back and flattens out all the way to the right with a shaky end here for the tail. Next, we can draw the antlers. Start with a really wide swoop above the head like so. Then, a really wavy line going back to the left and ending here for the points of the antlers. And at the front, 2 points like so that end here. Then, copy that shape just to the left again for another antler. Did you know the bigger the antlers that a moose has, the better it's able to scare off other moose that might try to fight it? Finally, add a really thin U-shape on the front of the head for a nostril. Then, a leaf shape with an open end for an ear, and for the eye, a sideways comma like so, with a small curve on top for the brow. To add some more detail, draw some W shapes with thin lines around the body for the fur texture. Then, add some really thin curves along the antlers like so to make it look rougher. And lastly, a backwards L shape to define the head. And now you've got a moose! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.